play with him. Get her, Boo.
Pull, Boo. Pull. Pull, Boo. Pull, Blue. Pull her. Pull her, Blue. Pull her around and right now. Pull her, Blue. There you go. Shake her, Blue. Shake her. Shake her. Shake her. Drag her. Drag her, Boo. Drag. Drag her, Boo. Let go of it. Let him get a good bite. Let go of it, and then let him get a good bite, and you can grab it again. Try and get a good bite. Throw it. He wants you to throw it now. He wants you to throw it now. Look, he's sitting there at attention. He wants you to throw it. Go throw it. Look, he brought it back to you to throw it. He wants you to throw it. He doesn't want to play tug of war anymore. He wants to throw it.
No, he's happy with tug of war.
Nope. You let her drag it. They're still how the dog is dragging.
I'm telling you.
Bring back in here.
Come back this way.
You can't do. Let go. Bring it back.
Stop.
Yeah. Put me in that video.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I know.
Your shoulder blade is. Watch out for Mama. Fat Mama, Fat Mama.
He's gonna pull you.
Fat Mama.
He's gonna pull you.
Fat Mama. Look at the Fat Mama.
Dora. Look, it's on. Look.